Kulingana muno mu bisujuga o NTSA Aden Adoko rwa sorogongorega rwa South Nyanza nigo ainikiri ngo komentekana ku mubaro anene bwa bali bakule nigo okoretwo kulingana mu n'engencho abanenchi bagutumeka kibara.
According to the data we have as at 13th of July 2026, we have already lost 2,709 Kenyans against the same period which was 2,532, and this is also indicating an increase to the fatalities that is resulting as a result of road crashes. Majority of these crashes are related to the element of human behavior.
Ado nigo aereire egekogera omubaro buno yiga onyarakabago komentekana asikiria tebrenga nukubuna kwa machiko abara na gusigeta abo bisa na nene bali batinete obusombe bwabara kwene kibirango bwaterana bale eligokeania omubaro yiga.
And the majority of these incidences are attributed to the issue of speed, careless driving, dangerous overtaking, excess passengers, dangerous overloading, both for the riders and also for the PSV, especially PSV and institutional buses, the school carrying buses, dropping and picking at undesignated places. We will be doing our part in terms of collaboration with other players in the sector, National Police Service, the county government through their bylaws. Nevertheless, we are saying from an NTSA perspective, road safety is a shared responsibility. It begins with you as the road user, and all of us have a part to play. So let's always adhere to that.
Omwelio ye niga basemerie bali aba gutumeka ebara koba maiso eligotanga emebasokano uneyiga.
The leading number in terms of road user categories are the pedestrians and the riders and also the private vehicles even are coming very high numbers in terms of the attribution of these fatalities. So all of us to be cautious as we use the roads. I always talk about the ABC squared of road safety. The issue of attitude, as a road user, always have a positive attitude, have positive behavior to yourself and the other road users, and also self-control, anger management, emotional intelligence, so that you can accommodate, because these roads are for all of us. Whether you are a pedestrian, whether you are a rider, whether you are a driver, all of us, we must accommodate each other in the use of these roads.
Igingo ripoti Getembe kia Getembe inchego nkoro kwa Polycarp Okara.